I'm in the middle of two trades. They're two shorts. I actually missed a very, very explosive and big open, but that happens. I had something at school with the girls, parent-teacher conference. We not only have trading responsibilities, but we have parent responsibilities as well. Sometimes those conflict with the market, but hey, that's the way it goes. But it was a really dynamic morning. It was the type of morning that would have definitely resulted in above average gains. Everything was clearly short and to the downside. I mentioned in numerous videos over the last several days that stocks like Apple and Facebook were overbought on the daily and would have the path of least resistance to the downside. But anyway, I'd like to show positions that initially are in the loss category. I like to demonstrate how to work around a loss, how I work around a loss, I should say. And that's what we'll do today. Let me see if I can get another loss here. uh, yes, Facebook. Why don't I do this? I'm going to show you how, because I think Facebook is about to rally back to the upside. Now I'm getting short here on Facebook, knowing that, do 2,000 shares, 2,200 shares, knowing that it's likely to snap back toward this 20 period moving average. All right, it's already moved away from the 20 period moving average, so it's poised to snap back toward the 20 period moving average before it resumes a significant move to the downside, if there's another significant move to be had at all. All right, Intuit, I'm short 3,600 shares. Oh, I'm going into positive territory with Intuit, and that's making new lows. I'm up $341, $444. We're rising, we're rising. Thanks to my Intuit, but these are still relatively small. There's still neutral positions here. I don't expect much. I expect them to actually back up into negative territory again, which I'd like to do for our educational purposes here. I want you to watch how I work around losing positions. And this is a style of market play that I have been instituting for, oh, God knows how long, 25 years. All right, back in my market maker days, if you were a market maker and did not know how to work around a losing position, how to trade around a losing position, how to chip away at your loss by going in a little heavier, at times getting a bump, coming out, lightening up, and then repeating the process. If you did not have the ability to do that, you were not a market maker for very long. That's for sure. Okay, so Facebook should push back up toward this 20 period moving average, which would throw me into negative territory, which would throw me into lost territory on my position. Right now I'm up $110, but the bounce is coming. The bounce is coming. It's oversold from an intraday perspective. Intuit should do the same soon. Okay, Apple, they all should bounce. Now, what I might do on the Intuit is try to lighten up. I'm bidding underneath the market for some Intuit. Only 600 shares. I'll pare down to 3,000 shares. If it drops a little bit more, I'm bidding under the market here. Bidding under the market for 600 shares. Okay, Facebook is bouncing back up like I told you it would. This should throw me into negative territory, which actually is what I want at the current moment. Apple's grinding lower. I've only got 1,600 shares of that. I'm positive by $500, not much. Okay, I'm not getting filled on my Intuit. We seem not to be able to break 98.10. I'm bidding underneath 98.10 for 600 shares. Looks like we might get a bounce in Intuit first. Okay, come down a little lower, little lower. Just a little bit lower. There we go. Yeah, I took in a little bit more. I pared my Intuit down to 2,500 shares. 2,300. $1,900. That's nice. There we go. I like it. Down to 1,000 shares. I'm bidding again beneath the market here. See if I get this last piece here. Okay, out of Intuit. Grabbed $618. Let's paring down a little bit on my Apple. Okay, out of Apple. Now the Facebook here. I was working my Intuit and let Facebook go. I would have grabbed a couple $100 in that. I don't like this dual bar. The no follow through on this red bar is very bullish. So like I said, it did not get that bounce back, but it looks like it's trying to do it now. So I'm going to pair out of this. Yep. Actually went long 200 shares. Sometimes that happens. I'm making money on the long side. 200 shares. There we go. Out and flat. Well, what I tried to do is to demonstrate how a very skilled trader works around negative positions. I had some negativity. It wasn't as much negativity as I actually anticipated or wanted for demonstration purposes, but hey, that's the way it goes. We picked up in what? How many minutes? A few minutes, not too long, about $846. This is the way we do this. All right, I hope you are enjoying the videos. Please, your comments are very, very welcome. I want to hear from you. I want to know whether or not these are beneficial for you, whether or not you're picking up some things. I know there are some traders that may not agree with my style because they have certain theories in their mind that they think, the theories that support sound trading or what have you. But the bottom line is that as you watch me day in and day out, you will see a level of consistency. Many traders that have flown in to actually be trained by me, firms have flown in some of their top traders over the years to actually watch me trade and to be trained by me. And it is this specific style that they sat right next to me to learn. So I hope you're enjoying it. This is Oliver Velez coming to you live, but signing out only for now. Ciao.